Welcome this video gardening decoration idea with both transforming a gardening space do not allow the quest explore side landscape or major renovation. One of the most access and impactful way to beautiful a gardening is through the create use of decoration pouch. Pouch are versatile, mobile, and come in handily design, color, and size with the right structure. You can use pouch not only to growing plants but to create harmony, showcase perfect personal and maxing your gardening space benefit and tone the inspire gardening decoration idea with pouch that can help elevate outdoor area. Choose the right theme and match pouch access. Before place pouch throughout your gardening, it's helpful to record on all overall theme and style are your aim for a medicated retreat or rustic countryside look or a modern maximalist vibrant. Choose pouch that reference this. Gardening often incorporating long traditional pouch, rustic or cottage gardening. Benefit of this match water pouch or renovation modern gardening look with geometric pouch or renovation tones. This discover style add charm and structure to the overall landscape. Use pouch to create gardening zone. Pouch can be functional tool at original outdoor space create defined zones such as dining area surrounding long pouch plant like bamboo throat or provide relaxation framed by flower pouch hub like a renew child play area with bright and colorful pouch that attach and bring those create and the purple mark your gardening feel long and more versatile gardening with pouch For smart gardening and pouch, various pouch arrangement and idea. Pouch use plants, wall bring, wood structure filled with pouch structure and hub, highlights pouch and fence for a wall and maximize space. Versatile gardening effect in wrapping setting, harmonium space in maximize limited but gardening decoration. Play with pouch size and height. Interior often come in various convenient pouch to define height to bring moment. Place throwing pouch at the bring and smart one in pouch to create a layout effect. Elevate some pouch use decoration style. Max pouch type in the smart gardening of pouch. This appear work well in cottage or neat pouch focal point. Use colorful and plants pouch. Pouch theme style can be water work at here various to the gardening by pouch and with geometric design art. Use colorful theme at cover old pouch. For a medicated touch, access seasoning color scheme paste for series warm touch elevate. This is also for great attach frame for child to personally and gardening space. A purple everyday emerge into pouch. Centrability main create then you objection as gardening pouch. Old bossed gardening or even can become charm pouch. Reclaim pouch in both color. Mark unique pouch hold. Style various add chaptering and history to your gardening. This approach explains size and issue friendly with add and story to each display. Seasoning pouch display. Pouch allow you to easy change display required to the season. Define in bright pouch season. Failing watering. Pouch, grow pen and cutting. Rocking then single pouch. Create impact by group season together. Old membering. 7 pouch or a place layout. Use pouch of display textile and tone of hormones. Place grouping, interest, part, and focal access. Companion, hub, display, flower, beauty. Group also help unique pouch with water and sunlight need. Light for pouch plants. Light add embrace to the any gardening space and highlights pouch plant beauty. Pouch solved bring long pouch even. Use lights area pouch stand and run. Eye lettering and charm benefit pouch romantic even. Lights enhance soft and aesthetic appeal. Night light use of your gardening. Pouch based gardening. You can define work or gardening bed use pouch plants or edge line and part away with unformed pouch fill or glass hormones. Use secured pouch as boundary benefit and patio. Alternate pouch size gardening bring soft edge. This helpful for those warm structure hormone pouch and hide hand plants even for gardening and add charm overhand hand poglo benefit and throwing. Use plant like squirrel plants and a wall waterfall. Try recycle bring short far edge original look. Those are extra for add gardening without soft full space. Theme pouch gardening create maximize theme gardening use